In the 6:30 p.m. incident, the victim's 45-year-old father, Bakar Saad, heard the sound of a gunshot and found dozens of shotgun pellets that struck his back door, wall and refrigerator in the kitchen. He was then shocked upon seeing his daughter, Nur Shahida, had sustained multiple pellet wounds. Shortly after, two men came to the victim's house and profusely apologized for the stray pellets, which were aimed at birds they were hunting.
Semalam daripada kejadian tu saya terdengar letupan daripada belakang sinilah, belakang rumah ni. Jadi saya terus ke depan rumah dia tu, tengok keadaan masa pun dah berlumuran darah lah, kira cedera. Jadi keadaan ayah dia pun dalam keadaan panik lah. Jadi saya pun tengok keadaan tu, saya terus bawa masa tu terus ke hospital lah.
The father then lodged a police report at the Kota Star Police Headquarters. District Police Chief ACP Muhammad Rozi Jidin later confirmed that authorities have seized a Topper 12-bore shotgun and the firearm license of one of the men. Three men, aged 52, 46 and 74, were also held to facilitate investigations under the Firearms Act. However, the 74-year-old man, the owner of the shotgun, was later released as he was not involved in the incident. The girl is currently being treated at the Sultan Bahia Hospital and is reported to be in stable condition but may have to undergo surgery.